Jason Noah, you are broke.
Please make time for me.
Don't worry about Coach. He has a son, but he doesn't know as yet. His son is actually arrested.
Welcome to FBK Podcast and Sleep.
Thank you for tuning in. We appreciate you, fam.
Dude, did you see what the billionaire guy Coach bought for his daughter?
What? Tell me, bro.
He bought her a whole island, bro. The guy is nuts rich for days, fam.
Damn, where does he get the money from? Maybe trading.
I just heard that rich guy is also back in town.
Who's back?
The one and only leadership MONCHO, the RCG guy with green colors.
But I heard that guy is dangerous, so we got to watch what we say.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Hello, Detective.
I want you to be close to our next target. He's very wealthy and dangerous. He will be partying at Propaganda tomorrow. Be there.
The funeral for Abashwe will be held this weekend, and many wealthy people are expected to attend.
Moncho is shocked to hear his role model Abashwe is going to be buried this weekend. And he's like, what?
The funeral for Abashwe will be held this coming weekend, and many wealthy people are expected to attend.
Ref Wayne, Jason Noah, FX Goats, Bandil Traders, and the alcoholic president Ndamos NFI will be attending the funeral. The sad part about his funeral is that Forex traders will no longer have anywhere to rent cars from.
From here, everything is just gonna be worse. Ta-da! The one and only Musa, one of the best journalists who has no fear, no favor in the country. Scammers are found shaking. Hey, I can't wait to see what Musa has for us. This is what we call black excellence. Mwanasese is flying for the funeral as well.
Hi, baby. When I get from America, ke tla gae.
Ge ke fitla Rojana strong. A ke re mogatsa ke ka nama ebile. Hello? Hello?
What's happening?